Hi, my name is Kirby Ryan Gonzaga, 20 years old stunner from Bayanan, Muntinlupa City. I started dancing when I was 8 years old. I started dancing ballet before I jumped to hip-hop. I dedicate my choreography to my fans, my family, and my loved ones, especially to my current group, which is Mixed Nuts. Ako si Kirby Ryan Gonzaga, ang pag-girl on fire number 2. Let's do it.